All right, what's up everybody? I am Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and we are at it again. Vans, RVs, all kinds of killer stuff to show you guys, teach you guys, educate you on vans. If you are thinking about converting a Chevy Express van to four-wheel drive, this video is going to be perfect for you. We're gonna walk you through the process that we do on these vans, as well the front suspension, rear suspension, and what you're gonna need. Let's just jump into this thing. Let's have some fun. And while you're here, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Let's go have some Chevy Express fun. All right, so we're hanging out underneath this. And unfortunately, guys, I would love to show you all the components that we make on a torsion bar conversion. Unfortunately, there's not going to be a ton of them. We use a lot of the truck components in order to convert this to four-wheel drive. Now, I'll tell you some of the things that we do make are these awesome cross members underneath, and that's gonna give you the lift if you're wanting to run larger tires on your Chevy Express four-wheel drive conversion. You can do that, and we are running typically a 285 75 17. Now, one thing that we do that's very unique on our four-wheel drive conversions, whether it be a torsion bar or coilover setup, is we also do additional adjusters in the lower control arms to give you a ton of alignment specs so you can get this thing perfect no matter what you want to do with this thing, and that's what's great. Now, I'll tell you one of the other big things that we do when we convert a van to four-wheel drive is we're running our Fox shocks in the front to really control the ride and give you that awesome ride. And here's something that's really important. Of course, we love running bigger tires on these, but we don't want to lose power in any of our vans. So another thing that we do is we offer re-gearing. We can run different gears in this. So if you want to go to a 410 gear, you want to run a front locker or rear locker, you have the ability to do all of these things when designing your build here at Weldtec Designs. So a lot of really cool stuff. Let's jump to the back of this thing, talk about what we did to get the height out of the rear to match this awesome front setup. And so in the rear of this, we're keeping it really simple, guys. We're not running blocks in the back of this. However, let you know that that is an option. If you're doing a torsion bar conversion, you want to keep the cost down, we can run blocks in the back as well. So in this particular build, we did do our Chevy Express leaf springs in the rear. What's going to be the benefit in this is the spring pack is going to be a lot more progressive. So you're going to see more springs in the leaves, which is going to help give you a better ride. We also did that negative overload spring. So if you're going to be doing any kind of towing or adding a significant amount of weight to the inside of it, you're still going to have that load carrying capacity, which is going to be ideal for any van. And then to finish it off, to control the ride, whether you do blocks or springs, we have added our Fox shocks to the rear of this. And now in the back of this, you can see that these awesome 285 70 17s. Now you may be worried, well, heck, this does have a door slider on it, and is the door gonna come in contact with this giant tire that I'm hanging out here with? So let me open up that door and show you exactly what we did. So here it goes, guys. You know that I have a sliding door on my van, and I definitely wanted to go even bigger. I'm running a 35-inch tire on my Chevy Express with a sliding door. We have a Chevy Express door slider now, which is always awesome. We've had them for the Ford for a long time. Now we have them for the Chevy as well. I'll let Austin get in here, show you some good shots of that, but you can see as well that there's still a ton of room between the door and the tire as well. Ton of clearance in there, no problem. So even if you did decide to go to a larger tire, you have the ability to do that with this door slide. I'll make sure that I put the link to this product in the description below if you have a Chevy Express and want to do that. Let's jump inside, because really I want to show you, this is a manual shift four-wheel drive conversion. Let me show you how you shift this thing into four-wheel drive. All right, man, I get in the seat and I'm like, ooh, this isn't comfortable, but then I realize it still has the stock seats and it needs our ultra seat conversion. So in the four-wheel drive conversion, this is going to be really simple. You are going to have your manual shift lever down here on the floor. What's nice about this is you can easily pull it back and shift it into 4 high. And when you do that, you're gonna get a green indicator light that's gonna come on in your dash, letting you know that you are in 4-wheel drive. That's really nice. Now, when we go back in, we're just gonna shift it out. You'll see the light turns back off, knowing that you're back in 2-wheel drive. keeping it simple. So now the next thing is you want to be able to shift into 4 low. We're going to go ahead, we're going to put the vehicle into neutral. We're going to shift it up once, which is going to be neutral, and then go all the way up to 4 low. And now you're going to see as I put it into drive, that's not into, there we go. And as we go into 4 low, we're going to notice that both indicator lights are on now, letting us know that we are in 4 low. So really super simple, but we want you guys to know that as you're operating your 4-wheel drive system from Weldtec Designs, how it works, what you have to look forward to in doing this, and just the simplicity overall in a 4-wheel drive system in your van. So I'm pretty sure that's all I have on this. The customer did some killer rock sliders and bumpers on this. I'll make sure we get some footage of that. They turned out really great. Always love showing what you guys are doing on these Chevy Express vans. But unless you guys have any questions, make sure you post them down below. That's all I have. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.